Good evening everyone, this is Mansoor Raza from Tivra team. So today we will be rolling out an updated version of Tivra application with lots of interesting features, and those features we are going to discuss here in this video. So once you install the updated package of Tivra application, the first thing which you will see is this screen in the form of video. In this video we will be going to discuss each and every features which are included in this version. This is in fact a very brilliant idea to reach to the each and every end user without the message loss. So you all are requested to at least go through this video for once, and once you go through this video you will come to know about the various feature of the application which will help you to use this application with maximum benefit and efficiently. One more thing, you need not to bother that like this window will keep coming over and over again. So what you have to do, you have to check this marked as view and click this skip demo. Once you click on skip demo, this video will be gone forever, it will not come again. So now let us come to the various feature which we have included in this version. So in this updated version we have worked around 5 different topics. Like first one is ONU power level for partners OLT, second one is integration of engine network element, third one is concept of throughput, then advanced inventory management, and the last one is advanced network monitoring approach. So let us discuss one by one. ONU power level for partners OLT. We all know the importance of ONU power level in case of customer internet experience. If the ONU power level at customer end is not within the limits, then definitely customer will experience slow speed, synchronization issue, and number of issues will be there. So the power level at customer end should be within the desired limit. So till now there was no such provision to see the ONU power level of partners OLT, as because we are having different make of OLTs, more than I think some 90 or 95 different make of OLTs are there. So as of now this was very a difficult job to pull the ONU power level in case of TIP OLTs. But in this version we have taken the initiative to pull the ONU power level of TIP OLTs as well. So as a start we have included Cyrotech OLTs, then Innotech, TechSnake, SharpVision, Uniway, Optilink, and a few more OLT we have tested and we have included in the application. So for this make of OLT we will be able to see the ONU power level. Slowly we will be adding more and different make of OLTs. But here we have to do like the main thing is not the main challenge before us was not pulling the OLT power the ONU power level. The main challenge was to manage the OLT login credential of TIP OLTs, because there are so many franchisee across the BSNL, and every franchisee owner have different make of OLTs with like different login credential. So in this application we have made one platform that franchisee owner only franchisee owner can manage his or her OLTs. He can set, he can modify, he can change, or he can delete the OLT login credential. So the OLT login credential provided by the franchisee owner will be very much secure, and the privacy will be maintained at the highest. No one can see his or her OLT login credential, not even his team member. So this thing will be more clear when we see the actual demo version. The second thing is integration of engine network element. So as on date we are having 3 make of LMGs like ZTE, UT Starcom, and Huawei, and all these make of that LMGs are now incorporated in Tivra, and we can pull the SNR and other important parameter as well. Third one is the concept of throughput. So throughput, first of all we should understand the concept of throughput and and authorized bandwidth, these two are entirely different thing. So as till now what we are saying in Tevra application, like one row is there, customer speed. In that customer speed we are saying the that how much speed BNG is authorizing to that particular customer. So with that speed we cannot judge, or we cannot figure out whether the customer is actually using it or not. But with the concept of throughput we can see, we can check also like how much bandwidth customer is actually using. So this concept we have included. This is again a very important thing, like important parameter, because many times we are getting complaint that although customer is connected but customer is not able to use the internet. So with this application we can check the throughput. If throughput is having some value, it means customer is able to use the internet. And the fourth one is advanced inventory management. So now the whole inventory management process we have completely we have changed it. A restructuring has been done. So earlier the case was that circle administrator can only view and modify the inventory of SSA from where he or she has registered. But with this updated version, the circle administrator can view the inventory of complete circle. Last one is advanced network monitoring approach. In advanced network monitoring approach is implemented. In this we have included Bharat Air Fiber and LMGs as a separate entity, and plus we have done some cosmetic changes for easy and user friendly interpretation. Now let us move to the actual demo. So what I will do, I will check this box, mark as viewed and skip demo. So this video will not come to me, come to my screen again. So first point we will discuss. The first point was that ONU power level for partners OLT. So straight away we will go to this TIP. Then TIP we will search one number. So let us my home number. It's 0172292115. Here you can see that this is the customer general information, very much similar to the previous version. Then customer TIP OLT parameter. This TIP OLT parameter consists of OLT port. OLT port is 3758, that is the outer VLAN, 137 is the inner VLAN. Then port status is up. This is the PON port. PON port means fourth number PON, third number port. This is the ONT distance, 2241 meters. Then ONT transpower and ONT receive power. So these are the OLT, these are the ONU parameters. Again, this is a very important parameter, because you know this is not possible every time. It is not possible for the field staff to carry optical power meter along with him to check the power levels. So with this application he can easily see the power level hassle free. Within few seconds he can pull out these informations. Then customer general information. Customer internet information means customer connected. Then speed, customer is connected since 6 o'clock 19 means today 6 o'clock. Then speed is 60 Mbps. Now here this is the authorized speed. This much of speed I am authorized for, but actual throughput here you can see 6.75 kbps is the upload and 16.3 Mbps is the download. Right now actually I'm downloading one file, that's why I'm getting 16.3 Mbps is the my actual throughput is 16.3 Mbps. So this like this way you will be getting information. But the thing is that how I am getting this ONU power level. For to get this ONU power level we have to add the OLT login credential through the application, and that is absolutely under the privilege of franchisee owner. I will show you one case. Since I am a normal BSNL user with super rights means I am the super user. I will go to the FMS. I will this is networks, this is the one of my TIP franchisee FMS username. I will strongly suggest all the franchisee owner to change your default password. Still, many franchisee owners are having the default password 01012018. Please change it, because this FMS is having your complete information. Your complete inventory is there. So please change it. Don't use the default password. Sorry, something mistake I did. Yeah, it's 4_PBCHD. So how franchisee owner can add the OLT login credential? Now I will show you the case that I am a normal BSNL user. So for the franchisee owner, he has to go to the admin. It is showing that only franchisee owner can access. So this is the main catch. This admin tab where you can enter the OLT login credential is under the jurisdiction of franchisee owner only, not even to the BSNL user, not even to the franchisee member. This I will show you. What I did, I have registered myself as a franchisee owner. So I will do registration as a franchisee owner. I have included my number as a franchisee owner of one of my franchisee. What I will do, TIP franchisee, select Punjab, then SSA is Chandigarh. Here I am selecting franchisee owner. Franchisee owner means now that admin tab should be available for me, right? That thing I will show you. Still Ajit name is coming. Let me change it to Mansoor. Password is anything. Register, verify password. One password OTP will come to me. 817430. 817430. So I have successfully registered myself as I have registered myself in Tivra as a franchisee owner. Yes, that works. So now I am able to see this dashboard. Now I will tell you how franchisee owner can set OLT login credentials. So he has to go to the FMS part. Once you click to the FMS, it will load all the thing of FMS. Like, so this is the FMS. He has go to the admin. Now you see, since this particular user has registered as franchisee owner, so this admin tab is enabled for him. So he can go to admin, then manage inventory. Once you click manage inventory, it will show the list of all the OLTs mapped under his account. So for this particular franchisee owner, 6 OLTs are there. So here you can see this is the location of OLT, then OLT IP and VLAN, then OLT make. In bottom you will find one option like manage OLT access. So what you have to do, you have to click manage OLT access. Once you click this manage OLT access, you will be having one window will come where you can enter your OLT login credentials. So for this particular OLT, I have created one test user ID. This is Tivra. What I will do now, I will remove this. Likewise, he can add also, he can edit also, he can remove also. So now I will show you, I have removed it. So now nothing is there. Now I will do again. What I will do, I will search the same telephone number, 2921115. This is taking some time actually. Yes, earlier I was getting value like this is the customer general information, similar customer TIP OLT parameter. Earlier I was getting this value because I have added OLT login credential. Now it is showing that franchisee owner has to add OLT login credential, path is FMS admin inventory. Same thing is connected since and throughput I am getting. So this way franchisee owner can manage his or her OLT login credential. The purpose of showing this video is that the franchisee owner must be assured that his OLT login credential is very much safe with us. No one can see it, not even your team member can see it, because this admin tab is only accessible to franchisee owners. I will add again, I will add back. Same as the enable password is also the same. Yeah, it is updated. This way the franchisee owner can manage his OLT login credentials. One small suggestion for all the TI for to all the franchisee owner is that first thing is that you should, in fact you must change your FMS login credentials. Like it should not be the default password. Most of the cases I have seen the FMS credential, now you can see, now I have added that OLT login credential. Now I am able to pull those informations. The first thing is that all franchisee owners should change his or her FMS login credential as soon as possible. It should not be the default value. Second thing is that suppose many people are thinking like here we are using Telnet protocol to access your OLTs. So what you can do, you can add some features. Like here we have done as a testing. We can I will show you in this particular OLT what I have what I did, that SNMP I have denied, SNMP IPv6 I have denied, Telnet for all I have denied, Telnet for IPv6 denied, SSH for all denied, SSH for IPv6 denied. Only Telnet is permitted for my server IP. So this way you can secure your OLT further, and this is always good practice to secure your OLT to maximum you can. So this way we have created one ACL in the OLT. With this ACL only my server IP can access the OLT, rest no one can access the OLT. So likewise you can add this ACL also in your OLT. So this is all about the ONU power levels. So now the next thing is that now yeah, now the next thing is that integration of engine network element. As discussed earlier, all the engine network elements are integrated. So we will see one example of ZTLMG number. So most still some UT-Starcom phase 1 supplied LMGs are having some issue, which we will address very soon. But rest of the cases on general, most of the LMGs we have already included. So this is one ZTLMG case. Actually this is uncut video, that's why it is taking lot of time, and maybe some grammatical mistakes will be there. So this is the case of ZTLMG. Here you can see that port SNR value, attenuation, attainable rate, current rate, everything we are getting. This throughput also we are getting. Throughput means throughput is very less, so it means the connection is idle, no one is using that connection. So likewise LMG is also included. Now the fourth point is advanced inventory management. So advanced inventory management, as we have discussed earlier, like we have restructured the inventory management completely. We have done the restructuring of inventory management. Earlier circle administrator can see the inventory of his or her particular SSA only from where he is registered. So now he will be able to see the inventory of complete circle. So being a super user, I can see the inventory of Pan India, but the circle administrator can see the inventory of all the SSA office circle. But again one catch is there, I will tell it later. Suppose I have registered myself from Punjab, SSA is Chandigarh, DSLAM, I can see it. So this is all of the DSLAM inventory. I can add, I can delete, I can edit anything. But in case of Amritsar, suppose this is the case of Amritsar, this is the inventory of Amritsar SSA. Likewise, circle administrator can see inventory of complete all SSA of his circle. But the catch is that he cannot modify, edit, add, delete, or any type of he cannot do any type of modification. Like he cannot add. So once you try to add the inventory of some other SSA, he will get one message like only concerned SSA nodal can add inventory. In fact, this is a brilliant idea, because the inventories are no one can understand the inventory better than the nodal in charge himself. So this privilege lies with the nodal in charge. Nodal in charge only can add, delete, and edit the inventory. However, the circle administrator can view the inventory of other SSAs also. Here we have added LMGs also. So now you can add LMGs also. Like here no LMG is there. So LMG also now we can add. So likewise we can add LMG also. Now the fifth point is advanced network monitoring approach. Now this is again a very important thing which we have included in this version. A complete new and modern network monitoring system is implemented. This is the network. Here you can see the complete status of all the network element of a particular SSA. So nodal can see only the this one status of his particular SSA. Circle administrator can see the status of complete circle. Here we have included this LMG and Bharat Air Fiber. This is the LMG and Bharat Air Fiber as a separate entity. So now I think this completes this is a complete overview of all the network elements. Plus we did some cosmetic changes also, like this thing. Earlier it was a very messy one, so you have to scroll it all over the all over, like you have to scroll it. Now you need not to scroll it. Every message will come on a single page with this one. Like this is the outage duration, this is the name of TIP, location is there, IP detail is there, VLAN, make, and then last updated status is there. So again this is this will be very easy for the nodal and administrator to keep an eye over the network element status of his SSA or circle. So this is all about this network. This is all about this updated version of Tivra. So this updated version we will be rolling out. I think today midnight we will be rolling out this update. And for any issues after this post implementation, suppose if any issues is there, then we will be discussing those issues in respective circle group. And all are requested to at least go through this video for once. Thank you.